Offers so many prayers, glorification of the Lord. This is verse 43 of chapter 9. This is a famous verse which shows Prahlad's extreme compassion for others. Nai voduje pradaratyaya vaitaranyash twadvirya gayana mahamrita magna chitta Shochetato vimukachetasa indriyarta maya sukaya varam udvahato vimudan. O best of the great personalities, I am not at all afraid of material existence. For wherever I stay, I am fully absorbed in thoughts of your glories and activities, my Lord. My concern is only for the fools and rascals who are making elaborate plans for material happiness and maintaining their families, societies, and countries. I am concerned with love for them. In Prabhupada's purport, Gita explains this material world is dukkhalayam ashashvatam, temporary and miserable. The fools are trying to make some relationship here.